I just repeat it. AP nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a series given to you, or this is a sequence given to you. We have to prove this is an AP or not. And if they ask it is an AP, you prove, then it will be 12 minus 9, 15 minus 12, 18 minus 15. Every value is coming 3, so it is a common difference which is constant here. And now they are asking, and A is in this case is 9. Now they are asking 16th term you calculate, so 16th term will be A plus 15 times of D. You have already done this. A will be what? 9 plus 15 into D. D is the common difference, that is 3. So 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 9, 54 is your
54.
Then they ask the general term. General term means the nth term they are asking. A plus n minus 1 into D. A will be 9. N minus 1 into D. D is 3. So now general term is 9 plus 3n minus 3, or I'll say it will be 6 plus 3n. That is your general term. Next question, please. Show that log of A, log of AB, log of AB square, so on, is a AP, and find its nth term. Show that this is an AP and find its nth term. Log A, log AB, log AB square. Show that it is an AP and then find its nth term. When you go for this minus this, what it will come? Log of AB minus log of A. This will come log of AB square minus log of AB. Third आएगा log of AB cube minus log of AB square. So on it will go. ये बनेगा log A minus log B, so it will be log A by B. So I should say AB by A. ये बनेगा आपका log of AB square by AB. And this has come out to be log of AB cube by AB square. This way, what this result every time comes? Is it log B?
Yes.
Every time we got this result as log B. So this is the common difference we have, and it is a constant number. It is free from n. And now they are asking the nth term. So please write down nth term, A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A?
Log A.
Log of A. N minus 1 into D
Log A.
is log. This is the answer. और सिंप्लीफाई हो सकता है ये?
Master log A minus log B.
कैसे आएगा log A minus log B? This n minus 1 goes in power now by first. Now it is log A plus log B. So formula says log of AB power n minus 1. This is our nth term. Next question, please.
सर
Yes.
सर वो फर्स्ट वाले पार्ट में कि शो इट इज एन एपी, तो सर इसमें हम a प्लस बी इक्वल टू 2b वाली प्रॉपर्टी से भी कर सकते हैं ना प्रूव? मतलब log a प्लस log ab स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2 log ab. सर RHS को LHS से इक्वल कर सकते हैं?
That you are doing only when in the AP 3 terms are there.
Yes, sir.
अगर ABC AP में है, then you have 2B is equal to A plus C, तब use कर सकते हैं, but this is a series.
नहीं
It's
सर,
not
इसमें नहीं,
having
जैसे जो
terms.
फर्स्ट वाला पार्ट प्रूव करना था।
First term क्या AP proof.
अच्छा, दिस इज इन सीरीज। ओके सर, समझ में आ गया।
Okay. Next question, please. Which term of the sequence 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, so on is 111? Which term of the sequence is 3, 6, 9, 12, so on 111?
Sir, 37.
37. Okay. Let this be n term. Formula says a plus n minus 1 into b. N term is 111. We'll write this. A will be 3 plus n minus 1. D कितना हो गया आपका? 3. ये 3 इधर जाएगा तो 111 minus 3 will be n minus 1 into 3. How much this will come? 108 by 3 will be n minus 1. 3 3s are 9. 2 times is n minus 1. Then I got 10.
So 3.
3
Sir,
6.
36 होगा वो।
36 होगा. So it come out to be 37. So 37 term it is. 3, 7, 11, so on. 3, 7, 11. Which term is 184? Which term of this series is 184? Which term of this series is 184?
So 184 letters in the
Is it the term?
Sir, it is not the term of the AP.
Yes, it is not the term of AP. A plus n minus 1 into b. When you take this as 184, A is coming 3, n minus 1, d is coming 4. Now when you solve it, 184 minus 3 will be n minus 1 into 4. Or it will be 181 is 4n minus 4. This is come out to be 185 is 4n. So n comes out to be 185 by 4. Then it will be 4 4 16.
46.
2 रह गया
46.25.
4.
0.25.
यही आ रहा है? It is a
हाँ सर।
fraction. If it is a fraction means it is not the term of the series. Next question please. 20, 19 and 1/4. 20, 19 1/4. 18 and half. 17 3/4, 3/4 sorry, is first negative term. Which term is first negative term in this here? Tell which is the first negative term here. Which is the first negative term? 20, 19 1/4, 18 and half, 17 3/4, so on, which will be the first negative term we have. nth term is again a plus n minus 1 into d. a क्या है आपका 20, n minus 1, d is what
minus
1914 minus 20, when you take it will come minus 3 by 4. यही आ रहा है, so it is coming minus 3 by 4, and this quantity I want should be negative. We want that this quantity has to be negative. Then I'll write 20 minus 3n by 4 plus 3 by 4 coming negative. Then 20 plus 3 by 4 कितना हुआ?
83 minus
ये हुआ आपका 20 plus 4 80, so 83 by 4 minus 3n coming less than 0.
minus 3n plus 4.
Minus 3n by 4 आया. Okay. Then I write minus 3n by 4 is less than minus 83 by 4.
4.
4 आप दोनों तरफ से मल्टीप्लाई करके काट सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, क्योंकि आप 4 यहाँ भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, यहाँ भी. Positive number is no problem. So this is gone. Then the both
Sir, is 28th the answer?
reversed. Yes. 3n comes greater than 83 हो जाएगा. Minus sign when you remove, that will get reversed. So n comes out to be greater than 83 by 3. And now when you solve it, it will be n greater than 3 2s are 6.
27.67.
27. 3 2s are 6. कितना हुआ भाई? 6 हुआ तो 2 रह गया. 3 7s are 21. 2 by
6 7.
यही आ रहा है 27 2 by 3. n should be greater than this. इसका मतलब n अगर इससे बड़ा है तो नेगेटिव टर्म आएंगी. It means first negative term will be 28, then 29, 30. ये सब टर्म कैसी आएंगी? नेगेटिव आएंगी. He is asking first negative term. We will say answer will be 28. So 28th term will be the first negative term we have. Clear? Next question, please. Which term of the sequence 8 minus 6 iota, 7 minus 4 iota, 6 minus 2 iota is first purely imaginary term? Is the first purely imaginary term. And first purely real term. दोनों बतानी है आपको. Which is the first purely real, first purely imaginary? Which term is purely real term? Which is purely imaginary term? First purely real and first purely imaginary term we are asking. What is D in this case?
1 minus 2
7 minus 4 iota minus 8 minus 6 iota. So it has come out to be minus 1 plus 2 iota. And now we will take the nth term here. We don't know which term is first real term or first imaginary term. We want that. So nth term we will calculate. A will be a minus 6 iota plus n minus 1 into d minus 1 plus 2 iota. Now when you solve it, it will be 8 minus 6 iota equal to, ये कितना हुआ? Minus of n plus of 2n iota minus n minus ये हो गया plus 1 then minus of 2 iota. We just collect the terms which are real. 8 ये रहा, 1 ये रहा, 9 हो गया, 9 minus n, ये तो पूरा real part हो गया. Imaginary में कौन कौन आएगा? ये 2n iota है और ये होगा आपका minus 8 iota, right? So 2n minus 8 iota. When it is purely real,
Sir,
Purely.
अगर purely real होता है तो imaginary part of the complex number has to be 0. Imaginary part ये रहा, so I should have 2n minus 8 is coming 0 and we got 4. Means fourth term is purely real. When we want purely imaginary, when you have purely imaginary, what I should say, real part of the complex number has to be 0. Real part means 9 minus n is coming 0, so n is coming 9. Means ninth term is purely imaginary. Next question, please. Show that the sum of m plus nth term, show that the sum of m plus nth term and m minus nth term is equal to twice the mth term. Is equal to twice the mth term. Sum of these two terms is twice the mth term we have to prove. So we have a m plus nth term we want plus a m minus nth term. क्या होगी ये टर्म? ये होगी a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. This come out to be a plus m minus n minus 1 into d. A and a will come out to be 2a plus d will be common in the 2, so I got it m plus n minus 1 plus m minus n minus 1 into d. D I have taken common. Then this n clearly get cancelled out. Then I got it 2a plus 2m minus 2 into d. Right or no? 2 common in all, so it will come out to be a plus m minus 1 into d. Which term it is? It is mth term.
Twice.
So it will come out to be twice the mth term. यही आपने प्रूव करना था. m plus nth term plus m minus nth term is twice the mth term. Next question, please. If m times the mth term, m times the mth term of an AP is equal to n times the nth term, is n times the nth term. Find what is m plus nth term. You should find out which is m plus nth term. M times the mth term is n times the nth term, then you have to find out m plus nth term here. Yes, please. M times the mth term. Mth term means a plus m minus 1 into d. This is n times the nth term, so a plus n minus 1 into d. Then I'll write this as ma plus m times n minus 1 into d, which has come out to be na plus n times n minus 1 into d. Okay? Take the terms of a together, so ma minus na, and then d terms together. Can write this way. What is common here? A common, so left is n minus n. And d common here, so it will be left m into m minus 1 minus n into n minus 1 equal to 0. Now when you solve it further, a power m minus n plus d times, it will come out to be m square is the first term. यहाँ से n square आ रहा है, so I'll take this as n square. Then come out to be minus m plus of n equal to 0. Then you can write a times m minus n plus d times, इसको आप लिख सकते हैं m plus n into m minus n. यहाँ से माइनस कॉमन लिया तो ये भी m minus n. Is something common? m minus n यहाँ से भी निकल के आ रहा है और यहाँ से भी निकल के आ रहा है, तो every term will be giving m minus n common. Then left is a plus d times, यार आपके पास m plus n minus 1 equal to 0. m and n cannot be equal. अगर ये 0 है इसका मतलब या तो ये 0 हो या ये 0 हो. ये 0 पॉसिबल नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है? अगर ये 0 हो जाता है, m is equal to n अगर आ गया, तो what is the meaning of question left? Question का meaning ही खत्म हो रहा है. That we will say m times the mth term is m times the mth term. What do you want to say? So that means this cannot be equal. Then left is only a plus m plus n minus 1 into d coming 0. And it is which term? M plus nth term. So I should say m plus nth term is coming 0. Next question, please. If pth term, qth term and rth term, if pth term, qth term and rth term of an AP are ABC, pth term is A, qth term is B, and rth term is C. So pth term, qth term, rth term of an AP are ABC. Then question is show A times Q minus R, B times R minus B plus C times P minus Q equal to 0. Question is, Pth term is A, Qth term is B, Rth term is C. Prove it. A times Q minus R plus B times R minus P plus C times P minus Q must be 0. First, if it is an AP, what is its pth term? We should write this as A plus P minus 1 into D. I write capital A and D because it is not the first term. It is given pth term. So pth term को अगर A माना है तो हम first term को differentiate करेंगे क्योंकि ये दोनों identical नहीं होने चाहिए. Then we will write this as A plus Q minus 1 into D. And this I'll write A plus R minus 1 into B. So I got three equations now. A is a plus p minus 1 into d. B is equal to a plus q minus 1 into d, and rth value, that is c, is a plus r minus 1 into d. Now I want a times q minus r. So what I do here, I will multiply this equation by q minus r on both sides. This equation we want to multiply with r minus p. And third equation we will multiply with p minus q. ये तीनों आपने multiply किए. Now we add them. इन तीनों को हम add कर रहे हैं. When you add it, ये वाली टर्म एक साथ ऐड होंगी, ये टर्म एक साथ ऐड होंगी, ये टर्म एक साथ ऐड होंगी. How we get it? Just check. What this side will come? A times q minus r plus b times r minus p plus c times p minus q. ये तो आ गया आपका. ये साइड तो आपकी पूरी आ रही है. What this will come? A times q minus r plus a times r minus p plus a times p minus q plus then d times, d is common in all, क्या रहेगा? p minus 1 into q minus r plus q minus 1 into r minus p plus p minus q into r minus 1. I want this answer should be there because its value to be calculated. अब केवल आपको इसको solve करना है. In first three terms we have a common. Left is what? Q minus r plus r minus p plus p minus q. Then will be b. ये क्या बनेगा? pq minus pr minus q plus r. फिर plus of qr minus of qp minus r plus p, then come out to be pr minus p minus qr plus of. Now when you solve it, r and r get cancelled out, p and p get cancelled out, q and q get cancelled out. So this part is clearly 0. Same way pq and pq get cancelled out. Here PR and PR get cancelled out here. QR and QR get cancelled out. Then P and P get cancelled out. Q and Q get cancelled out. R and R get cancelled out. So what I get here? 0 here, and this is also 0. So I got it 0 into A plus 0 into B. That is coming 0. So the final answer is coming 0. This expression will be coming equal to 0. In the same question, they can ask this also, you prove. A minus B into R plus B minus C into P plus C minus A into Q is 0. This also you have to prove. Three conditions are already with us. A is equal to A plus P minus 1 into D. B will be A plus Q minus 1 into D. C will be A plus R minus 1 into D. I have to prove this. हाँ, बोलो कैसे करें?
So इसको R को इन दोनों को minus करके R.
पहले इन दो को minus करें. Yes, क्योंकि A minus B चाहिए आपको. So if I take these two equations, when you subtract, what it will come? A minus B. इन दोनों का difference किया तो A minus B. यहाँ A से A कट जाएगा कि नहीं?
Yes.
So these two get cancel out. हम दोनों को ले रहे हैं. माइनस माइनस एन माइनस करेंगे तो ये कट जाएगा और क्या रहेगा यहाँ पे P minus 1 minus Q plus 1 into D. P minus 1 minus Q plus 1
और 1.
So 1 and 1 also cancel out. So I got it first result, A minus 1 is P minus Q into D. Second one is this B and C difference you take. अगर B और C का difference लेंगे तो क्या आएगा? B minus C आएगा. यहाँ A cancel होगा और यहाँ D common. So it will come Q minus 1 minus R plus 1, then 1 also get cancel out. So D, second condition I got, B minus C is D times Q minus R. ये equation 1 है, ये equation 2 हमारे काम है. Same way when you take C and A difference, it will come C minus A and A get cancel out, and this minus this, it will come R minus 1 minus P minus 1 into P. Or I should say C minus 1 R minus P into P. This is condition 30. After getting these three conditions, now what you want? You want A minus B should multiply with R. So we do that. A minus B into R will be P minus Q into D into R. Second one, B minus C. That will multiply with P. So it will come Q minus R into D. P into D. And third one is C minus A into how much? Q. Should be
R minus.
R minus P into Q into D. Now we add these three equations. When you add it, what you will get? A minus B into R plus B minus C into B plus C minus A into Q comes out to be equal to D will be common in all. Then what left? PR
Minus QR.
minus QR. फिर आएगा plus of QP minus RP. और तीसरा आएगा RQ minus PQ. PQ and PQ gone. QR and QR gone. RP and RP gone. So it is also coming easy. This was your NCRT problem. Next question, please. If mth term of an AP is 1 by n. नोट करो, अपने आप कर लेना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. mth term of AP is 1 by n and nth term is 1 by n. Find what is mnth term. Find what is your mnth term.